Hi guys, how is it going? This is Suni from Garden World. If anyone is watching our channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe. This is in the middle of a thick jungle. Our ATV crew got us here. Look at this guys. It looks so beautiful, peaceful. I just can't tell you guys how amazing it is. Just listen to the beautiful drips of water flowing gently in between the rocks and the most beautiful trees all around. It's so gorgeous here. I will let you guys enjoy this piece of amazing nature with the actual water. And this is our very friendly ATV crew. So we are heading next to the volcano hike. I'll see you guys there. Come on guys, we just started our volcano hike. Look at all this moss on the tree. This is around 2.5 hours hike. We'll go to the base of the volcano. I'll just show you around all the different plants, trees, bushes, shrubs. This is a very thick rainforest. We are in the middle of the thick rainforest. Luckily it just stopped raining and the sun started shining. Look at all these roots guys. These are very old thick rainforest. We might see, if we are lucky enough, some birds or monkeys. Look at these all. I think these are all bamboos. Look at this bamboo garden. So beautiful. Wow, isn't it amazing? Look at all these bamboo trees guys. So beautiful. The walkways are not that clear. It's all rocky and bumpy because it's in the middle of the forest. Still, it's amazing. At least we have a path to walk in the midst of the jungle. It's so beautiful. I'll just let you guys enjoy the nature. By the way, if anyone missed our Costa Rica series, we are in Costa Rica rainforest right now. Look at all these ferns. The tropical plants video, I will link it below. If anyone missed watching that, please do watch. We are hiking the volcano mountain right now. We are almost reached the base of the mountain. Look at the volcano. It's so beautiful. And look at all the vegetation around the volcano. Years ago when this volcano erupted, all the lava and the ashes and all those minerals and all that's what made all this land around here so fertile. And one more nice pretty view of the volcano. And we are done with uphill hiking. Now we started downhill. And we are almost finished the volcano hike. And look at these beautiful plants in the middle of the rocks. And here is the view. And this is the most prettiest La Fortuna waterfalls. I would say around half an hour hike for this mountain. to watch the actual waterfall. Look at this, guys. So wonderful and pretty. All the beautiful trees around. Just listen to the clouds. It's so serene, peaceful. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I'll show you the actual chocolate tree and some coffee plants tomorrow. Thank you.